How to use voice changer on Roblox mobile and options that of course aren't possible. So what you can do about it, so if you're thinking about a voice changer app, then currently that's somewhat not possible yet. Most of the apps that does voice changers are only available in PC. A lot of apps say they can change your voice live, but in reality they only work inside their app. Because both Android and iPhone block apps from modifying the microphone in real time for other apps. This means no app can take your mic input, change your voice, and then send it to another app like Roblox. It's a system level restriction, so the operating system simply does not allow mic rerouting. Developers can't really bypass this because it would be considered a privacy risk, and your phone doesn't want one app secretly recording or modifying your microphone while another app uses it. So that's why most mobile voice changer apps only let you record your voice, choose an effect, and then save it as an audio but not actually real time. That's why streamers and gamers use external devices. Now that is a possible option. External devices like a portable sound card or hardware voice modulators is usually using some sort of tech that will allow you to change your voice, which is something more external. So getting yourself a different device to help you with this. So maybe you can just reroute your PC microphone to a speaker, and that speaker is being heard from your phone microphone, and that's where you can get your main audio. But there will be problems that comes with that since it isn't really direct. But currently, that's pretty much one of your only options, external devices, that will give you a voice changer in Roblox. And of course, other than that, there is some games that gives you voice changers like the mic up game in Roblox. So you can change your voice here. But other than that, that's pretty much all the info we can give as of now. Maybe one day they can add an actual voice changer app in real time, but again, as of now, that's still not possible. But hopefully the information of this video can help you in a way, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.